Emergency plumber in Los Angeles. Call now 424 363 5111. Find a plumber to fix your plumbing problem 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When you have a plumbing emergency, you need someone you can trust, and you need them fast. Our emergency plumbers can handle any plumbing problem and are available around the clock. Don't hesitate to call now to talk to a local plumber. Whether you're dealing with a leak, a clog, or no hot water, our plumbers can help you now. Services include drain cleaning, clogged toilet repair, garbage disposal repair and installation, water leak detection and repair, gas leak repair, sewer line repair, and water heater repair and installation. Waiting can cause additional damage and increase the cost of your repairs. Don't wait. Call an emergency plumber now. 424 363 5111. That's 424 363 5111.